Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up and verify your KuCoin account. This ensures a secure trading environment. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using several convenient payment options, such as a bank transfer or a credit card. Then, you're ready to explore the wide selection of cryptocurrencies available and make your first purchase. To fund your KuCoin account, navigate to the Deposit section. You can choose to deposit fiat currency directly or transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Simply follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided on the platform. Always double-check the details and be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts or associated transaction fees to ensure a smooth process. Once your account is funded, head to the trading interface. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Input the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend, or specify the exact quantity of crypto you'd like to receive. Review all the order details carefully before confirming your purchase. Your new crypto will then appear in your KuCoin wallet. After buying, your crypto is stored in your KuCoin wallet. It's crucial to secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection. Regularly review your portfolio and stay updated on market news to make smart decisions. Remember, responsible trading and strong security practices are key to a positive crypto experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.